Eggplants are stuffed with garlic, brushed with olive oil, and cooked till soft, smoked and tender. They're then processed with other spices and served with some pita bread or some crunchy veggies. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making baba ganoush. If you've never had baba ganoush before, it's basically eggplant that's smushed together with tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, and spices. Today this is really special because I'm going to be smoking my brinjals or my eggplants on my barbecue, so it's going to have that additional smoky flavor. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with 2 large eggplants. I'm going to make slits in the eggplant and I'm going to stuff it with garlic slivers. I've just cut these garlic pieces so they fit into the slits. If you're finding it hard to stuff the eggplant, you can just make a little bit more of an incision and just insert the garlic in. The eggplants, once cooked, will yield 2 cups of flesh, and I'm using a half cup of garlic. Once done, I'm going to brush the surface of the eggplant with olive oil. I'm going to smoke this on my grill for about 20 minutes, turning at intervals. If you feel that the eggplant starts to burn, transfer this onto a grill plate or the oven so it can continue to cook the flesh. Just bear in mind that the time that you need to cook the eggplant will depend on the size. You want to make sure that this eggplant is really nice and squishy and cooked all the way to the center. Once the eggplant has had a chance to cool, I'm going to scrape off all of the flesh and I'm going to reserve it. Place the flesh in a strainer to drain off any excess liquid. Now, I don't have a lot of liquid to drain because I cooked this on my barbecue as well as I made slits in the eggplant. But if you choose to make baba ganoush with a whole eggplant and if you just cook it over an open flame, you will likely have a lot more liquid in the center of the eggplant and you will need to drain it. I'm going to add this now to a food processor together with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of tahini, this is sesame seed paste. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Next, I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder as well as 1 teaspoon of paprika, or you could add cayenne pepper if you wish. I'm going to add the juice of a lemon and about 2 tablespoons of parsley. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to pulse it. I like my baba ganoush a bit chunky, so I'm not going to process it too much. Let's take a look. This is perfect and it's good to serve. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil and parsley when I serve it, and it's ready to eat with some pita bread, or you could even serve it with some crunchy veggies. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for baba ganoush. It's so easy to put together. If you can't smoke it on your barbecue, that's totally fine. You can also cook it on an open flame, or you could also put it in your oven. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and do share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these wonderful recipes as well. Also, leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.